Are you ready to elevate your home comfort and efficiency to the next level?
Look no further than the ecobee new Smart Thermostat Premium with smart sensor and air quality monitor. The best thermostat for Google Home available in the market today.
Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in smart home technology. Today, we're diving into the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, a game changer in home climate control. Start with the features that make this thermostat stand out from the rest. With its built-in smart sensor and air quality monitor, the ecobee ensures that your home stays comfortable and healthy year-round. The smart sensor eliminates hot and cold spots by adjusting the temperature in the rooms that matter most to you. Plus, the air quality monitor alerts you to poor air quality and provides tips on how to improve it, keeping your family safe and healthy. But it doesn't stop there. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium boasts premium materials and advanced engineering. With a large, vibrant display and a sleek design that complements any home decor. And with compatibility with most 2.4 VAC HVAC systems, installation is a breeze. Now let's talk smart features. With Alexa built-in, you can control your home using just your voice. Play music, check the weather, or adjust the temperature, all hands-free. Plus, with Siri integration, you can control your thermostat directly from your Apple devices. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is its ability to save you money. By optimizing your heating and cooling usage, you can save up to 26% per year on energy costs, all while reducing your carbon footprint. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, praising its ease of installation, sleek design, and energy-saving capabilities. It's no wonder it's a bestseller on Amazon. So, if you're ready to take control of your home comfort and efficiency, look no further than the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. With its smart features, energy-saving capabilities, and sleek design, it's the best thermostat for Google Home available in the market today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. See you next time.